What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to 1 Minute Car Review, where today we've got the most popular casting of 2019 Hot Wheels set. It's the 2016 Bugatti Chiron from the Hot Wheels Exotic set, car number 7 of 10, and it is car number 236 of 250 from the 2019 Hot Wheels set. And we're not going to actually open this one right here. I've got one already open, so let's go ahead and take a look at that one. And as you can see, it's got this gorgeous darker blue with some nice pearl inside of it. I love the silver painted C right there, very classic. And from the front of it, check out the detail, the nice tampo work, the little Bugatti logo on the front of it. Even the silver that goes across looks really, really good. And from the top, you can see the nice detail of that line that kind of center continues down onto the back right there. And if we get a closer look at the back, not much as far as tampo work or detail, but still looks absolutely fantastic. One of my favorite castings for this year. Let me know what you guys think of the Bugatti in the comments down below.